kumbe dore Tibo aho yibereye. Maniga nayo wagira ngo ni wananika amajeshi. Nta kuryama akagobwa kananiwe atangiye gutera pongi. Uru rutipi baza ko rwarakomeretse mu mugongo ruravirirana. Diabete imeze nako ntagangika. Kereka iyo diabete ikoze izamutse. Hakuno. Ndani ya mujini.
But the question I'm asking myself is, who is Amber Todd?
So icyo nyene kubona amenya Amber Todd ni muntu nyabaki. Will O'Neal aza gukora iperereza kuri amukobwa Amber Todd utwaye ikihebe.
11 officers died.
Abofisiye 11 bapfuye.
Yet she got stone out that tunnel like
ariko uyu mukobwa akaba yarokotse.
Raindrops.
Rwose akaba twamunya yarukanze no mu mvura.
So is she one of us or another one of them?
Icyo nibaza nyuma yuko abandi 11 bose barashwe uyu mukobwa akaba atarashwe. Ese yaba ari umwe muri twe cyangwa umwe mu byihebe? Gitangira kumugerekaho case.
She's put together a brief that you all should have received by now.
Ati nasinyene ko wamenya amakuru yose ukazayaduha cyangwa nayaduha nonaha. Muyakoresha mu gihe cyo muyamaza.
Now we have 2 days to put Tibor Stone on the stand.
Dufite iminsi 2 Tibor Stone kwa tumugejeje mu rukiko.
We need to move fast.
Dukeneye gukoresha umuvuduko wambaye. Rero ka dutangira akazi. Umukobwa atangiye kumugerekaho case bashaka ko ari umwe mu byihebe. Aya. Sasa hakuno. Mugabo nayo hanafite umuryango.
Do you really believe that about Todd?
Ibintu ucyetse kuri amukobwa Todd byaba ari byo.
You want a fresh thinking?
Nawe uko ari gutekereza neza. Sashaka ko ntekereza neza se. Nari muratekereza neza. Uko ari perereza cyo bita kuyobera kuri haduyi mudamu yamwize yirukana ushoboye asiguda ashobotse. Asiga umugambanyi. O'Neal
wants to see you.
Arashaka mubonana. Hano yamagaye cyewe avuga izina ryawe cyakumva ari wowe kigata kiguya gahunda yari atarashaka mubonana. He wants to see you. Nibwatinze hano umukira acungishwe ijisho no mu rugo rw'abari abapolisi n'abasirikare.